Alright, in this video, let's go ahead and set up the environment for creating our React.js application. So for this, you need to install Node.js, and it doesn't really matter if you download either version, so they will both work. And then once you have Node.js, go ahead and open up your terminal or command line, and you can type npm and then --help. So this command will give you some help on how to use Node. So basically, this means that you have successfully installed Node.js, and it's very trivial to install it. So once you have that, what we need to do is actually go to this GitHub repository. So Facebook/create React app. So this is the quickest way for us to bootstrap a React.js application. So if I scroll down, you can see that to create a React app, we can simply issue this command, npx create React app. So this is the actual command, and then you give it the name, so my app, right? And then you have to cd into it, so change directory, and then simply say npm start, and then you get a web application with just few clicks. So let's go ahead and do that now. So what I'm going to do is actually go back to terminal and then cd into desktop and then demo, and then inside of demo, so if I do LA, you can see that we have src, so cd src, and then if I also LA src, you see that we have main and test. Right, so just let me do that again. You see that we have main and test. And in fact, if I open up IntelliJ, you can see that we have source, main, and then Java and resources. So this is what you see in this terminal right here. So now let's go ahead and pretty much just issue this command. So npx create React app, and then give it a name. So let's go ahead and simply say npx and then create React and then app, and then let's go ahead and name this as JS. So JS for JavaScript, and this is where all the JavaScript content will be. So if I go ahead and press enter, just give it a second. So now this is doing its thing. It's creating the actual app. So you can see that the destination is users, amigos code, desktop, demo, src, and then JS. So this is the folder name. And there we go. So you can see that it's finished. So if I scroll up, so you can see exactly what it did. So right here, you can see that these are the dependencies that it got for us. So React DOM, React scripts, React, dev-util, React DOM, so on and so forth, right? So if I scroll down, you can see that we have a few commands. So we have yarn start to start the development server, yarn build, yarn test, and yarn eject. So what we're going to do is actually cd into JS. So you can see right here. So it says cd into JS, and simply type yarn and then start. If I press enter, just give it a second, and there we go. So now you should see a React web application. And there we go. So now we have a React.js application that we can work with.